Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to install Azure CLI module in Windows. First go to the Google and type Azure CLI model. You just open this link and it will redirect you to this page. Here you need to download the latest Azure CLSI exe module. Okay, or otherwise you have any physics version, you can try this MSI version. Okay, I already downloaded that. Here you can find that. Okay, Azure CLI model 2.570. As of now, this is the latest update. So after some years, it could be changed. Okay, right click on that, select install. Now previously, if you open here, right now I'm seeing agent is not recognized internal command. Okay. Now after this, we will see what it will say. Click yes. Yeah. Now you can click finish. Now we have done that. Now close this command prompt. Type CMD again. Select another administrator. Click yes. Now type agent login. See, now it is asking, it is now okay. Now you just click open and you can connect to the respective Azure portal using the account. So this is how you need to install, okay, Azure CLI module in Windows operating system. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.